What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day. If you are new to the channel, please check out the other videos. If it's content that you guys may like and enjoy, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning viewer, I appreciate you guys' support. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So for today, I have a little install, and I've got a few parts, but I'm going to end up breaking it up into two different videos, just so can give everyone some information on it. So what I have today, and I'm going to be installing, is another part from Thrashin. So, and another part there. So what I have is the Thrashin P54 foot pegs. So I went with these. I do like the ones that have the little spikes, are a little bit more aggressive looking, moto type style, but also wanted to do something that would be maybe not quite, I did want to do something that would be not quite so aggressive, and a lot of people are running those. These are a little bit different, so it's just something that I thought about doing. And then I also, and I ended up getting their shift peg, so y'all can see that, and use it. So get away from that rubber one. So shouldn't need but a few tools today to do this. So I do have one other part that I'm going to install. It's over there in a box off camera. I'll do that as a separate video, because what I want to do is put the pegs on, and then the little shifter peg right there, and go for a ride and just tell you guys what I think. Do I think you need this other part and all? But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hey, let me show you guys something real quick. So all we should have to do to change these out, hope I'm seeing it because I'm looking at it upside down, is pop this little clip off, push this pin out, slide this out. There's a spring right down inside here. You can see one end goes there, the other one comes out over here. Put that piece on, and then you can put the foot peg on. So let me get set up. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to pop this little clip off. That little clip, little C clip right there, pops off. Pull that out. That comes out just like that. So you see how this is on there. So this is this piece here. So let's see, I don't know if I can put this in there like this or not. Just like that. So that piece is on. Take this little clip, go get a pair of pliers. Simple as that. So now this foot peg go on here like that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of blue Loctite on this. Let me grab my wrench. Got my blue Loctite on. Alright, I'm gonna set that back. I'm gonna sit on the bike and see it actually feels pretty good right there. As y'all can see, it's pretty simple. That blue Loctite will set up. That'll be pretty good. So, if you look at a side-by-side comparison, this does have rubber, and I'm sure this will probably help a little bit with vibration, but this right here gives you a little bit wider surface for your foot. So all right, let's go do the other side. That was a pretty simple task right there. All right, so we have that piece off. I did grab a little bit smaller screwdriver just to help. That pin pops out. That comes out. This little spring, there's a hole inside this, so this little spring will go right inside that little hole. Put that piece in. This will go back on, this little C-clip, back on right there. Alright, that one's on. So this fits in right here, like that. Put a little bit of Loctite on the bolt. Alright, I'm going to stand the bike up and It feels pretty good right there, so see if I can tighten it up without make sure. That's pretty grippy. That's a pretty grippy peg right there. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is change out this rubber piece right here. So I have this new Thrashin supply one. Let me make sure the bolt is correct, which I'm sure it is. Yep, just a little Loctite in the hole there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little blue Loctite. Y'all gotta forgive me, I got old Craftsman 1/4 inch ratchet that is pretty old. It's been used way too much as a pry bar and everything else. So anyway, so there it is. I have the shift peg right there, and then the foot pegs from Thrashin Supply. Have both of those on the bike. So let me walk the bike out here into the sun and we'll do a walk around real quick. All right, so as you can tell, we have the P54 pegs on. Looks good. Got a lot of Thrashin Supply, Edward Ritchie, Custom Dynamics, Bung King parts on the bike. So anyway, this is what the bike looks like. Forgive me guys, it's dusty. I will wash it today. It's in the mid 40s outside right now, so I'm gonna try to wait till it warms up a little bit more this afternoon. But so far this is what the bike looks like. So still got a couple things I want to do to the bike, but that'll be in some upcoming videos. Anyway, if you would, please like, subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout. I do have another Thrashin mod coming for the bike, but I'm gonna go test ride this first, and then I'll do another quick little install video and put it out there. It won't be but just a few minutes long, but and it's gonna be is it really needed? So anyway, appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day.